Welcome back to a new episode of Scientific Smart Coaching. We said we should continue our discussion on sound of class 10 ICSC, which is these questions are probably coming in the forthcoming uh, exams of ICSC board exam. We should do know lots of numericals also. But before that, I have a small request to all of you students that if you like this video to just share as much as possible to your friends and also subscribe my channel of Scientific Smart Coaching. So and like the video. So let us start today's episode or today's video. So a rare mirror, a question is there, a rare mirror of a motorbike of a motorbike motorbike of a motorbike starts vibrating violently at some particular speed. Start vibrating violently at a particular speed. uh, what happens what happens actually, a frame of a motorcycle along with the rear mirror is found to vibrating violently when it is driven to a particular speed. This happens when the frame has a natural frequency of vibration equal to the piston when the engine. So here, here the frequency of the frame is equal to the frequency of piston of engine. Frequency of piston of the engine. Happens a frame where the frequency of vibration equal to the piston. The phenomena is called resonance. Here it is called, the phenomena is called resonance. So you have to familiar with this the phenomena. To stop this violent vibration, the speed of the mirror bike should be changed. The speed of the motorbike. So to stop this one, stop speed of motorbike should be changed. Motorbike should be changed. So this is a question. You have to read this one. What is mean by pitch of a note? Pitch of a note. A pitch of a note is determined slowly by its frequency. So frequency, it is determined solely by its frequency. The pitch in fact is a subjective sensation in the ear depending on only upon the frequency of the musical sound and is quite independent of the loudness or quality. Pitch is thus a subjective phenomena and cannot be physically measured. Cannot be physically measured. When a sound is made of a distance from 18 meter, when a sound is made of a distance of 18 meter in front of a tall building, it is found to get repeated again. Which phenomenon is associated with this? So repetition of sound. Repetition of sound. Which phenomena? The associated phenomena is known as echo. Here we should discuss this. What is echo? We get echoes because of the reflection of sound. The reflection of sound reaches the observer after a time interval of 2d by v. So where it is occur? After a time interval of 2d of v. Reflection of sound. Reflection of sound, where d is a distance of the reflecting wall from the source. So d equal to distance of reflecting sound, reflecting wall from the source. For the human ear, this time is 0.1 second to ensure that the reflecting sound does not get mixed up. So for human ear, this reflecting sound at least 0.1 second time interval. So the velocity of sound in air is 330. V equal to 330 meter per second. Therefore, these are 2d by 330 is greater than 0.1. From here we get d equal to d greater than 0.1 into 330 by 2 equal to greater than 16.5 meter. Hence the building in this case is 18 meter. We can hear the reflecting sound clearly. So 16 point for echo to be occur, 16.5 meter is the least distance. Why is an echo not heard? Distance between the source of a sound and reflecting body is less than 10 meters. So why echo cannot be heard? Echo can't be heard where source of a sound less than 16.5 meter. So this is explained in the previous question. What is the understand by free and forced vibration? So vibration, free and forced. There are two terms of vibration. Any object when slightly disturbance from the position of the rest or equilibrium vibrates with its own period, irrespective of the size and shape, is called the natural vibration. Sometimes to keep a body vibrate, periodic force is applied. This is called force vibration. A man stands. Now we shall do some numericals. A man stands at a distance 68 meters from the cliff of a fire and fires the gun. After what time interval will he hear the echo? So here d equal to 68 meter. That is the distance from the cliff and the man. And v we know that 340 meter per second. It is given 340 meter per second. Therefore 2d time taken or 2d by 330 2d by 330 equal to time taken 2d by 330 equal to time taken equal to time equal to 2 into distance is 68 divided by 330 330 not is 330, it is 340. So if you cancelled this one, 2 ones are 2, 3 2s are 6, 4 8 to the 16, 5. 8 to the 8 to the 16, 9 to the 8 to the 16, 17, 5. 17, 7. So 17 into 5, 7, 5 and 385. So this is 17 into 5 equal to 2 by 5. So 2 by 5. How is 2 by 5 equal to? So equal to 0.4 seconds. So this is the time taken. If the man had been standing at a distance 12 meters from the cliff, he would he would he have heard, so 12 meter here, distance equal to if 12 meter, then echo is possible or not? We know that time equal to 2d by v equal to 2 into 12 by what is v? V is 380. 380. So this one is 140. This one is 6, 7, 70. This one is 3, 3 to 6, 5 to 10, 35 by 3. So 0.000 7 3 18, 7 3 18, 7 7 5 in hand 3, 7 8, 7 3 21, 24. So equal to 0.07, which is less than 0. So no echo will be possible. Therefore, no echo will be possible. A sound wavelength of 0. Attometer has a time period of atto. If the time period is decreased to attocentimeter, calculate the wavelength. So next numericals. A sound wavelength, how much given? Wavelength lambda equal to 0.332 meter. Time period t equal to 10 to the power minus 3 gram 3 second. We know that frequency equal to 1 by t equal to 1 by 10 to the power minus 3 equal to 10 to the power 3 hertz. Now the time period is decreased to 10 to the power minus 4. Now time period decreased to 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 4, decreased to 10 to the power minus 4 hertz. Time period is taken to 10 to the power minus 1 for 20 to the power minus 4 second. Therefore frequency equal to 1 upon 10 to the power minus 4 equal to 10 to the power 4 hertz. Speed of the sound speed of the sound v equal to, we know that v equal to f into lambda equal to 10 to the power 3 into 0.332 equal to 332 meter per second. New wavelength, therefore new wavelength equal to lambda by v by f equal to 332 by 10 to the power 4. How much? Equal to 0.0332. This is meter. So this is the answer. Wavelength of waves. Next question. A wavelength of waves produced on the surface of water is that if the wave velocity is 25 centimeter, calculate the number of waves produced. So a wavelength of wave here given lambda equal to 10 centimeter. You have to convert into meter. So 10 by 100 equal to 0.1 meter. V equal to how much given? V equal to 25 meter second to the power minus 1 it is given. The number of waves, number 1, number of waves. We have V equal to F lambda. Therefore F equal to V by lambda equal to 225 divided by 0.1 equal to 250 hertz. The number of waves, therefore number of waves equal to 250. Number 2, what is the time in which one was produced? The t equal to 1 upon f equal to 1 by 250 equal to 0.004 second equal to 10 to the 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 second. A person standing between two vertical cliffs and 540 centimeter away from the nearest cliff. He shouted and heard the first echo at 4 seconds and the second echo after further 3 seconds. Calculate. So we have done this one in the previous. Waves produced on the surface of water are formed to move a velocity of 24 centimeter. Here it is another numericals on on echo we should do. A man stands in between the parallel two parallel cliff. A man standing between two parallel cliff and blows a whistle. He hears the first sound 0.6 seconds, second sound 2.4 seconds. Calculate the distance between the cliff. So T1 at a T1 equal to time after the first echo. Time after the first echo equal to 0.6 second. T2 equal to time after the second equal 2.4 second. Velocity equal to 336 meter per second. For an echo, the distance let the distance be traveled by the sound traveled by the sound for echo equal to d. Therefore d1 equal to v into t1 divided by 2 and d2 equal to d1 equal to v is 336 into t1 is 0.6 divided by 2 equal to how much? So 0.3. 6 is 18, 18 and 1, 3 and 9, 0, 3 and 9. So 1 meter. And d2 equal to V into T2 divided by 2 equal to 336 into 2.4 divided by 2 equal to 1.2 equal to 403.2 meter. 100.8 equal to 100.8 meter. The total distance between the two cliff. Total distance between the two cliff. Two cliff equal to d1 plus d2 equal to 100.8 plus 403.2, this one meter, equal to 0 in and 1 3 4 0 5.4 meter. So friends, after this video, we have done these numericals, and lots of numericals will be done in the next video. So let's hope that you can do a good exam, and you can give a good exam, and and have achieve a good result. You can win also. So just work hard. Okay.